With the Surfcam to NC-Simul interface, easily transfer all of your data to qualify the G-code on a machine digital twin. Start by opening the Operations Manager and select the process that you would like to verify. You can also specify which work environment and machine to send everything to in NC-Simul. Now, simply hit Simulate, and NC-Simul will begin packing the part model, stock, and any fixturing used, as well as the tools, program offset locations, and the post-process G-code, the same one that'll be running at the real machine. The NC-Simul project will automatically be created and open, mounting the full assembly onto the table of the digital twin. From here, run the simulation to see the material removal as it dynamically updates with the G-code on the right-hand side. NC-Simul takes into account all machine motions and parameters, allowing you to qualify the program virtually and keep your real machine cutting chips at all times.